Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. With QuickBooks Enterprise, you can organize your list of items and services into categories, so you can record transactions faster and organize your reports. Let's go over how to turn on item categories, organize your items and services into categories, use item categories to record a transaction, and then run a report organized by item category. First, turn on the item categories setting. Note, you will need to be in single user mode to turn this setting on. Select Edit, Preferences. Then select Items and Inventory, Company Preferences. Select Activate Categories, then OK. QuickBooks will need to close all of your open windows, so select OK. And reopen your windows. Now it's time to set up your categories. Select Lists, Manage Category. On the left, you see your item categories, and on the right, the items within the selected category. All your items and services start as uncategorized, so the first step is to set up your categories. Select Manage Categories, Add New Category. Enter a name for the category, and then a brief description. After you've set up a few categories, you can also create subcategories that will appear under the parent. This is useful if you want to set up broad categories of products first, and then organize them into more detailed subcategories up to 4 levels deep. Select OK. Now it's time to move items from uncategorized to your new category. Select Uncategorized, then check the items that you want to move to the category. You can select column headers to resort the list to make this easier, or use the search field to find products and services. Select Batch Actions, Move to Different Category. Then select the category you want to move them to. Save, and select OK. QuickBooks removes them from uncategorized. Select the category, and you'll see them here instead. After you've set up your categories and moved your items and services into the categories, you can use them to record transactions. Select Create Invoices. Fill out the invoice like normal. Select the Item drop-down arrow, and then Find and select Items. At first, you'll see a list of your items and services that you can select and then add to the invoice. But to narrow this down, select the Filter Items drop-down and select the category you're looking for. QuickBooks only displays the items in that category, so you can find them more easily. QuickBooks automatically selects everything in the category. If you don't want to add everything, you can select Clear All to unselect everything and pick what you want, or unselect them manually. Then select Add Selected Items. Finish filling out the transaction and save. Item categories also help you organize reports. Select Reports, Inventory, Inventory Valuation Summary. QuickBooks organizes your products by category to make the report easier to read. You can use this same technique on other reports for products and services. Now you're ready to set up categories for your items to help you record transactions and run reports.